Okay, now we're going to discuss how to stain. So first we'll move on to a simple staining. So simple staining ku ஒரே ஒரு dye தான் actually ஒரே ஒரு staining தான். So this is actually a staining tray. So we have two chambers here. So in front of the above the two chambers we need to fix. You have to place your specimen, and then you have to add your stains. So simple staining we have this is your crystal violet. So this is crystal violet stain. So this is a stain. So we're going to add a few drops of crystal violet into your specimen. So like this. So it should be like it should cover your entire circle. So after that you wait for 30 seconds. So for each and every experiment we have a waiting time. So we have to wait for that particular time. So for example, if it is a simple staining, it is a 1 minute. You have to wait for 1 minute, and then you can go for the you can wash the stain and you can go for microscopic analysis. So let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, it's already 1 minute. I'll tell you how to wash the slide. So you should not wash the slide at the running water, or should not like அப்படியே தேய்ச்சல கழுவ கூடாது. So we have a procedure to wash. So like this, just hold on the slide slantingly and just pour the running distilled water, right? So like this. So after that your slides is getting washed. During this period of time, so what happens is, for example, if I have poured crystal violet stain, so in your specimen, so the crystal violet will be binded with your microscope. ஸோ எந்தெந்த இடத்துலலாம் வந்து பாக்டீரியா இருக்கோ அந்த இடத்துலலாம் வந்து உன்னோட கிறிஸ்டல் அந்த வயலட் கலர் போயிட்டு பைண்ட் ஆகும். ஓகே, ஸோ கிறிஸ்டல் வயலட் இஸ் அ கலரிங் ஏஜென்ட். இட் இஸ் அ பேசிக் டை. ஸோ இட் வில் பைண்ட் வித் ஆல் தி பாக்டீரியா and finally it will give color. So it will give a violet color. So this is how the simple staining can be done. So you wait for the stain, the specimen to dry. So after it's dried, you can go for the microscopic analysis. Okay, so since it is a demonstration, I have taken the same slide, the same bacterial smear, and I will show you how to do a gram staining, right? So gram staining, we are going to use 4 reagents. So one is crystal violet, grams iodine, and decolorizer. You can use alcohol or alcohol or acetone as a decolorizer. And fourth one is safranin. So waiting time for crystal violet it is 1 minute, and for safranin it is 1 minute. So grams iodine it is for 30 seconds. So decolorizer you can just pour it and directly you can pour it, right? So now I will tell you how to pour each stains. So first I have placed the specimen in the tray. So I'll have few drops of crystal violet, right? So and you wait for 1 minute. So the waiting time is more important. So if you wash the stain in a 30 seconds or 20 seconds, you cannot view the bacterial smear properly. So you have to wait for 1 minute. So let's wait for 1 minute. So let us assume it's 1 minute got over. So after that you just wash it with the distilled water, right? So take it slantingly and wash it with the distilled water. So like this you can wash it, and after washing you can go for the second stain, which is called as grams iodine. Again you pour a small few drops of grams iodine which is placed all over the stains, and for grams iodine it is the waiting time is 30 seconds, right? So you wait for 30 seconds. You should not disturb the specimen for 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds you can just wash it with your distilled water. Take it slantingly and just wash it with your distilled water. So like this you just wash it, and then you place the stain and allow it to dry. Okay, so after that you have to add decolorizer. So decolorizer is nothing but it will destroy all your negative stains. Only positive stains will be getting stick into the bacteria. So after decolorizer again you have to wash it, and then finally you can go for the safranin. So safranin is the last dye over there. So in gram staining, so this crystal violet is a primary dye. So why? Because So all your positive bacteria will stick into the crystal violet, so it is called as a primary dye. Safranin is the secondary dye, right? So all your negative bacteria will stick into a safranin color. Positive bacteria எல்லாம் வந்து உனக்கு violet கலரில் ஸ்டிக் ஆயிரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம டீகலரைசர் ஆட் பண்ணோடனே நெகட்டிவ் ஸ்டெயின்ஸ் எல்லாமே ரிமூவ் ஆயிரும். ஒன்லி பாசிட்டிவ் ஸ்டெயின்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் வயலட் கலரில் இருக்கும். அப்புறம் நம்ம சாஃப்ரனின் போடும்போது பாசிட்டிவ் ஸ்டெயின்ஸ் எல்லாமே ப்ளூ கலரில் ஸ்டிக் ஆயிரும். So when you go and see the stains in your specimen in the microscope, so gram positive bacteria will looks in the violet color since we have added the crystal violet, and the gram negative bacteria it will looks in the blue color, right? Sorry, pink color. So if it is a pink color, you can identify the bacteria is gram negative bacteria. If it is a violet color, if it is looked into a violet color in the microscope, you can write down the results as it is a gram positive bacteria, right? Okay, that's it.